Hello, welcome to another video from Mindful Eating. Here I'm showing you this very quick video here of this quick couscous recipe for a Mediterranean diet. It's couscous with some grains in it. We've got some raisins, some feta cheese, some cherry tomatoes, peppers, and I've done like a dry beef mince with some coriander and some of the herbs here. And this is my meal for the afternoon, and this is a very quick Mediterranean dish that I did. Roasted coriander, mince here with some onions, and here we've got the couscous recipe with some raisins, some peppers, and some cherry tomatoes. This is a very quick Mediterranean dish I did for myself, couscous recipe. Thank you for watching Mindful Eating.